Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a project I made using Django, a web framework for Python. The project is similar in essence to an encyclopedia, and anyone can edit it. Let me show you how it works. First, let's go to the home page, where you can see a list of all the entries in the encyclopedia. You can click on any one of them to see the content of the entry. For example, let's click on Python. And as you can see, this page shows some information about Python, the programming language. You can also add some formatting like headings, bold text, lists, and links. This is because the content of the page is written in Markdown, a simple markup language that can be converted to HTML. What if I want to change something that is on the page? Maybe I want to add some more information or fix a typo, or just make it more funny. Well, that's easy. I just have to click on this edit link at the bottom of the page, and I can edit the markdown content of the page in this text area. For example, let me add a joke at the end of the page. What do you call a python that is exactly 3.14 meters long? A python. There, that's better. Now I can click on save and the page will be updated with my changes. Let's say I want to create a new page for something that doesn't yet exist in the encyclopedia. Maybe I want to write about my favorite movie, or my pet cat, or my secret crush. Well, that's easy too. I just have to click on this create new page link in the sidebar, and I can enter a title and some markdown content for my new page. For example, let me create a page for Star Wars. That's done. Now I can click on the save, and my new page will be created and added to the encyclopedia. And if I go back to the home page, I can see that my new page is listed there as well. It's hard to remember exactly what we're looking for. What if I want to search for something in the encyclopedia but I don't remember exactly how it is written? Or maybe I just want to see what pages contain certain words or phrases. Well, that's easy too. I just have to type in my query in the search box and then hit enter. For example, let me search for YTHO. As you can see, this shows me a list of all the pages that have YTHO as a substring. In this case, only Python matches my query. But what if I'm feeling lucky? Maybe I don't have anything specific in mind and I just want to learn something new or random. Well, that's easy too. I just have to click on this random page link in the sidebar and it will take me to a random encyclopedia entry. For example, let me click on it now, and as you can see, a random entry page appears. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you want to check out the code for yourself, you can find the link to my GitHub repo below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.